Right, for sure.
Very warm out there this afternoon. Great day to be in the park. Maybe at Zilker at Barton Springs Pool.
Absolutely.
I was just thinking of that because I saw Zilker Park there a few minutes ago.
Would be nice today. We need it.
Yeah, we could use some cool down, that's for sure. And I know it's feeling a lot like summer right now, but let's keep in mind this is still May. This is still the peak of our severe weather season. And so if you'd like to make sure that you are completely prepared, the best way to do that is to attend a Skywarn spotter training. And you folks up in Round Rock, or if you want to drive from Austin or wherever, go to Round Rock tonight between 7 and 9 at the Bacchus Center, which is there on Baghdad Road in Round Rock. Paul Ura from the National Weather Service will be conducting a full 2-hour Skywarn spotter training. And, you know, it doesn't have to be necessarily that you want to become a storm spotter officially. It's just very educational and very entertaining, and you learn a whole lot, real informative. So I would recommend that you do that if you just care about the weather, especially severe weather. You'll also learn a lot about severe weather safety. 92 is the high temperature today. It feels a lot like summer out there this afternoon. 90's been the high at the airport. 88 and 68 are the normal temperatures, so the lows this morning, not too bad. And out there right now, we're partly cloudy. Again, a few little cumulus clouds out there that look like they could turn into something, but so far, nothing happening. 89 degrees is the current temperature. At 8 o'clock, 84 is our forecast. At 10 o'clock tonight, 78 degrees with partly cloudy to mostly clear skies at that hour. 90 still out in Llano. It's 87 degrees in Burnett. Marble Falls at 86. Still some 89s in East Austin, 90 in South Austin, 90 up in Georgetown. In our eastern counties, also a couple of 90s still coming in at LaGrange and Elgin and Rockdale and up there in Cameron. In the city, it's officially 89 and partly cloudy. The airport, 89 degrees as well. Dew points down 59, 62. That's a little bit on the drier side, so that's why we think temperatures in the morning will dip back into the 60s. Also one of the reasons that we got up into the low 90s today, because the air is just a bit drier today. Winds are real light, 6 miles per hour. Sunset tonight, 8:22. The moon will not be moving in front of the sun tonight. Wasn't that neat last night? Hope you got to enjoy the eclipse. Mold count 1,746 is high today, but it's better than it has been lately. Grass at 11 is low. And around our state, everybody in the 70s, or rather 80s with a few exceptions. 91 in Houston, 92 degrees up in Waco. It is 77 in Amarillo because we had a cluster of showers and thunderstorms there. This little disturbance moving from northwest down to the southeast, we had hoped would provide enough lift in the atmosphere to generate maybe a rain shower or two in our area, but as you can see, it's completely faded away. Now, interesting, Tropical Storm Alberto, you probably heard about him forming over the weekend off the coast of South Carolina. Just a 40-mile-per-hour little bitty tropical storm right now, and Alberto will stay off the coast. But he did form a little bit before the official start of hurricane season, which is June 1. That happens every few years. Well, dry weather in our forecast. Not much is going to change the rest of the week. In fact, be back here with us at 6 o'clock tonight, and I'm going to show you the new week 2 forecast that takes us on into June. We'll hope for some change, but stay tuned. 91 to 93 are high temperatures around most of the area tomorrow. In Austin, a few low clouds late, 67. Tomorrow, maybe some brief low cloudiness in the morning, not very long, and then mostly sunny and 93 tomorrow afternoon. Let's get you through the 7-day forecast here, and it's pretty easy to figure out. Temperatures every day up above 90 degrees, a little hotter than we would like, all the way through Memorial Day, in fact. We don't see hardly any chance of rainfall, and that is unfortunate news. I guess not so much maybe over the Memorial Day weekend. There'll be a lot of picnics and barbecues, won't there?